Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. Do you see the background? My husband helped, so shout out to my husband. He did all the lighting and stuff, and this is like exciting for me because I used to always film like right in front of me on the floor sitting down or on the side facing the window there. So now I feel like it's, you know, a little bit more professional looking. But let's get straight into it. This box is kind of emotional for me because back in 2016 was my first FabFitFun unboxing. I'll link the video down below. I look so different. And I had just moved into this apartment. I think it was 2016. And I had no furniture, nothing. And I was sitting on the floor unboxing my first FabFitFun because I love fall. So I'm only going to do this box. I'm not going to do every season because one, I think that FabFitFun has changed and I'm not totally happy with the way that they changed. I feel like we had more products for less money and now we have less products for more money. But because I love fall and I'm in a great space in my life, I was like, let me just unbox this to kind of come full circle, I guess you could say. Because now you can see, like, I'm fully furnished, right? Years later, and I'm married and I'm about to have a baby, so I don't know, it felt good. And I'm a fall baby myself and I love fall, so let's get into it. This is the fall season FabFitFun box. Let's open it up. Over here, it's a bit heavy, you guys. Over here it says fall FabFitFun, and this is so cool. Look at it. It's like an apple field and she's walking, so I do really appreciate the artwork and I do appreciate that it is cardboard. And the whole box, the whole box is painted, which I think is amazing. So there we go. Can you see it? So let's get straight into it. I am going to take the first thing out because it looks the biggest. So here we go. And this is a pie dish. Ooh, I'm going to be cooking. It says wash thoroughly before use, handle with care, oven safe up to 475 degrees. And this is from Noon and Moon. I love this color. It's a chocolate brown, but at the same time, it kind of looks burgundy. I am going to make so many pies in this. I cannot wait to show you. Usually when I cook on the reels on Instagram. So I will be sure to put it up. So you guys definitely check it out. And my new YouTube name and Instagram name is Betty Monsalvo. So make sure you check out my Instagram. It'll be so much fun. We cook together, nice little recipes. I like this a lot. I really like this. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, we have a lot of Rare Beauty stuff. So this is the Rare Beauty Hydrating Body Lotion. I feel like I'm going like old school, back to how, you know, we used to do stuff. I love that it has the R. And it's like really minimalistic design, which I'm very excited about. And it had just like a little tape there. This is cool. So the cream comes out of this little hole here. Put a little bit. Ooh, it smells good. It has a very light texture. And it smells nice. It smells really nice. It definitely feels hydrating. I love Selena Gomez, so I'm sure all of her products are good. I've never tried her skincare products, so kudos to FabFitFun for having that available. I have tried her makeup though. Going in with another Rare Beauty, we have Fine Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream. So this one was the Hydrating Body Lotion. This is the Hydrating Hand Cream. I love the color. It's very fall. Very, very fall. I love how small this is. It can just like fit really nicely in your purse. And I'm probably gonna butcher this word, but it's like ergonomic. So I think that's really nice. And then you just open the top here. Guys, don't come for my nails. I can't get my nails done right now because I'm pregnant and I want to be safe. Oh, this is cool. Look at this, you guys. I thought it came out, but it actually turns. Look. Oh, and then you squeeze it. Oh, I like this a lot. Let's do it again. One more time. There we go. You see it opens? That's pretty cool. Okay, Selena. Alright, what else do we have here? We have a Rare Beauty body, hair, and fragrance mist. The mist is peach flower extract, and it's a fresh scent. Okay. Okay, this was off, but I don't think it's broken. Again, I love that mauve color. And it says it's a hair mist. So let's try it. I do smell the peach. I do smell the peach, and I do like peach. So I'm excited about this. Let's do it right. Okay, Rare Beauty, come through. Okay, next we have Iconic Glow Prep Set and Glow. You have to shake well and then spray 12 inches away from your face and keep your eyes closed. Okay, so just have to be careful when you use this. I think it's a body glow, so let's try it out. Ooh, this is pretty. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. Let's try it. Do you guys see a glow? I don't know if I see a glow, to be honest. But it is pretty looking. I just don't know if I see a glow. So this is going to be an ant for me. Honestly, because I have, it's this like a vino oil. When you put it on, that one really glows. This is also from Rare Beauty. No, this one is, yeah, this is from Iconic London. It's okay. I don't really see a glow though. And I put like 2 or 3 sprays. I think the one, there's one that's like $7 from Aveeno. And it's an oil and it has a really great smell. And that leaves a nice glow. So maybe I'll put that in my fall favorites video. Do you guys want to see a fall favorites video? This is fun. I haven't sat down and talked to you guys in so long. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a bunch of different colors. Free of silicone, parabens, sulfate, artificial colorants, cruelty free. Okay. Ceremonia. Or Ceremonia. Ceremonia. It's a leave-in conditioner. Ooh. I like that it's so colorful and just happy looking. It's deep hydration hair cream, guava leave-in condition. I wonder how it smells. My hair's already done, so I can't really put it in my hair right now. Ooh, it smells good, you guys. It smells good. And it matches. You guys, look, it matches. I'm a sucker for things that match. That one is a 10 out of 10. I think I like that one and the hand cream the most. Okay. Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, Skin Refining Pads. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. Ooh, it smells good. Can't wait to use these. I love skincare. Alright, and that is it. No, wait. Hold Hold on. There's a few more things here. This is also from Elemis. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Cream. This has a decent smell to it. The texture looks really nice. I'm excited to use that. Alright, and then the last thing from FabFitFun is this. It's a beautiful necklace. It's definitely giving Van Cleef. So we're going to put it on right now. It's called Electric Picks. It's like the small version of that Van Cleef flower. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm glad that they had a jewelry option in there. And then if you like this jewelry and you want to go online, you have a FabFitFun 20% coupon code off the next purchase. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. It goes nice with my ring. I center it a little bit. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Okay, so that was everything in the box. There are 3 more things that came, but these are things like add-ons that you can do. And since this is going to be my last box, I was like, okay, let me just do a couple add-ons just for fun. So again, these didn't come with the membership, or the annual membership, or I think you can do 6 months too. It was just something I was interested in. It was like really low price. I think it was like, I don't know, $4 or something. So these are the Louis 32 floss discs. I love the green, as you can tell. So let's take a look at that. Oh, they're cute. They're like little half moons. I think my husband might like this. He's a dentist, so he might actually appreciate this. And then, ironically enough, the same colors as the floss. And these are the date pops. One is cinnamon bun, which is definitely fall. They're gluten-free and dairy-free, so that's exciting. And they have date paste, oat flour, coconut oil, and sea salt, which is great. It doesn't have any like high fructose corn syrup. And this is the same thing. This one just has strawberries and peanut butter. So it's like a peanut butter and jelly type thing. So let's give them a try. This is what it looks like. This is the peanut butter one. The peanut butter and jelly one. It's really good. I like it. I like it. And let's try the cinnamon bun, which I think will probably be my favorite. That's this one right here. Let's try it out. It smells good. Pretty good. I actually like the peanut butter one more, which is surprising to me. Okay, so this was everything, and it all matches, which makes me so excited, because even that little burgundy is in the bag and the green, so I love that for me. That is the FabFitFun 2025 fall box. I hope you enjoyed unboxing it with me. If you want, you can look at the old one, my very first one in 2016. Let me know what you think. I just feel like it's such a full circle moment. I hope my son one day looks at these videos and be like, oh my god. It just feels good. It feels really good to be here and to do this. I hope to grow my channel a lot more this year. I hope you guys come along with me. And yeah, till my next video, you guys. Besos.